नमस्ते। आप कैसे हैं? हेलो, हाउ आर यू? हेलो, हाउ आर यू? मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद। आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। आपका नाम क्या है? व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? मेरा नाम प्रिया है। माई नेम इज़ प्रिया। माई नेम इज़ प्रिया। आप क्या खाना चाहते हो? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? मैं बस एक गिलास पानी पीना चाहता हूँ। I just want to drink a glass of water. I just want to drink a glass of water. आपको चाय पसंद है? Do you like tea? Do you like tea? हाँ, मुझे चाय पसंद है। Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ। I am going to market. I am going to market. तू बड़ा चालू है। You are too clever. You are too clever. बात मत घुमा। Don't twist words. Don't twist words. अब मैं बदल चुका हूँ। I have changed now. I have changed now. तेरी हरकतें चालू है। Your drama is on. Your drama is on. तमीज़ से बात कर। Talk with respect. Talk with respect. दिखावा मत कर। Don't pretend. Don't pretend. मुझसे उलझ मत। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. तू सच्चा नहीं है। You are not real. You are not real. अब मेरी बारी है। Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. हद में रह। Stay in limits. Stay in limits. गेम अब मेरा है। Now it's my game. Now it's my game. अब मज़ा आएगा। Now it will be fun. Now it will be fun. तू टाइम पास है। You are just time pass. You are just time pass. मुझ पे एहसान मत करो। Don't favor me. Don't favor me. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuse. Don't make excuse. वक्त की नज़ाकत को समझो। Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. अपने बाल झाड़ लो। Comb your hair. Comb your hair. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. उसे समय लेने दो। Let him take time. Let him take time. उम्मीद मत छोड़ो। Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. लाइट अचानक चली गई। The power suddenly went out. The power suddenly went out. लाइट कब आएगी? When will the power come back? When will the power come back? अंधेरा हो रहा है, लाइट जला दो। It's getting dark, turn on the light. It's getting dark, turn on the light. ऐसा लग रहा है कि वोल्टेज कम है। It seems like the voltage is low. It seems like the voltage is low. मैं आपको जानता हूँ। I know you. I know you. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? तुम मेरे दूर के रिश्तेदार हो। You are my distant relative. You are my distant relative. मैं रिश्ते में तुम्हारा भाई हूँ। I am your brother by relation. I am your brother by relation. तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है? How is your study? How is your study? मैं बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Very nice. इसी तरह करते रहो. Keep it up. Keep it up. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. तुम यह कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am absolutely happy. I am absolutely happy. मैं दिल से माफ़ी मांगती हूँ. I sincerely apologize. I sincerely apologize. मैं पूरी तरह तैयार हूँ. I am all set to proceed. I am all set to proceed. बढ़ा चढ़ाकर कुछ भी मत बोलो. Don't exaggerate anything. Don't exaggerate anything. बेझिझक कुछ भी कहो. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to ask questions. ऐसे ही पोस्ट करते रहो. Keep posting like this. Keep posting like this. सोच कर बताता हूँ. I will think about it and tell you. I will think about it and tell you. जैसे हो वैसे ही खुश रहो. Be happy as you are. Be happy as you are. लोगों को घूरना अशिष्टता है. It's impolite to stare at people. It's impolite to stare at people. कभी कभी कड़वा सच स्वीकारना मुश्किल होता है. Sometimes the bitter truth is hard to accept. Sometimes the bitter truth is hard to accept. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. पानी पी लो. Drink water. Drink water. तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. मुझे आराम चाहिए. I need rest. I need rest. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. मेरा ध्यान मत भटकाओ. Don't distract me. Don't distract me. एक काम ठीक से नहीं होता तुमसे. You can't even do one thing properly. You can't even do one thing properly. तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं मानती? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? चलो बहस बंद करो. Stop arguing now. Stop arguing now. ये तुमने जानबूझकर किया है. You did this on purpose. You did this on purpose. मुझे फालतू बातों में मत उलझाओ. Don't drag me into useless stuff. Don't drag me into useless stuff. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. यह गलत है. This is wrong. This is wrong. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। लीव मी अलोन। लीव मी अलोन। मुझे तंग मत करो। डोंट बदर मी। डोंट बदर मी। जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं। बार्किंग डॉग्स सेल्डम बाइट। बार्किंग डॉग्स सेल्डम बाइट। आप भले तो जग भला। गुड माइंड गुड फाइंड। गुड माइंड गुड फाइंड। अंत भला तो सब भला। ऑल्स वेल दैट एंड्स वेल। ऑल्स वेल दैट एंड्स वेल। क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड? व्हाट हैपेंड? कुछ नहीं हुआ। नथिंग हैपेंड। नथिंग हैपेंड। तुम चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? कुछ बोलो। Say something. Say something. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. आप कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैं घर पर था। I was at home. I was at home. क्या मैं कर सकता हूँ? Can I do it? Can I do it? आप कर सकते हो। Yes, you can. Yes, you can. आपका दिन कैसा था? How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा था। I had a great day. I had a great day. सब कुछ बताओ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए। I need your suggestions. I need your suggestions. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. मेरे पास बैठ जाओ। Sit with me. Sit with me. वहाँ जाओ। Go there. Go there. इसे पहन लो। Wear it. Wear it. इसे उतार दो। Take it off. Take it off. इसे बंद करो। Close it. Close it. इसे खोलो। Open it. Open it. इसे साफ करो। Clean it. Clean it. चुप रहो। Be quiet. Be quiet. जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Hurry up. इसे रख लो। Keep it. Keep it. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. तेज बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. ध्यान दो। Pay attention. Pay attention. थोड़ा आराम करो। Take some rest. Take some rest. क्या तुम फ्री हो? Are you free? Are you free? क्या हम बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk? Can we talk? क्या आपके पास टाइम है? Do you have time? Do you have time? आप क्या करते हो? पढ़ाई या नौकरी? What do you do? Study or job? What do you do? Study or job? मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ। I am studying. I am studying. आपकी फैमिली कैसी है? How is your family? How is your family? ठीक है। All good. All good. आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? हम कोलकाता से हैं। We are from कोलकाता. We are from कोलकाता. सुनकर अच्छा लगा। Good to hear. Good to hear. नहीं, मैं उड़ीसा से हूँ. No, I am from Odisha. No, I am from Odisha. बहुत अच्छी जगह है. It is a very nice place. It is a very nice place. आप कभी आए हैं उड़ीसा? Have you ever been to Odisha? Have you ever been to Odisha? हाँ, पिछले साल गए थे हम जगन्नाथपुरी. Yes, we went to Jagannathpuri last year. Yes, we went to Jagannathpuri last year. बहुत अच्छा. हर किसी को एक बार तो वहाँ जाना ही चाहिए. Very nice. Everyone should go there at least once. Very nice. Everyone should go there at least once. दोबारा आएगा तो मुझे बताना. Let me know if you come again. Let me know if you come again. जरूर बताऊंगा. I will definitely tell you. I will definitely tell you. एक दूसरे का नंबर ले लेते हैं. Get each other's number. Get each other's number. आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. बाद में मिलते हैं. See you later. See you later. मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. I am also very happy to meet you. I am also very happy to meet you. लगभग सभी. Nearly all. Nearly all. लगभग सभी मेहमान चले गए हैं. Nearly all the guests have left. Nearly all the guests have left. लगभग सभी काम हो गए हैं. Nearly all work is done. Nearly all work is done. अभी भी वक्त है. There is still time. There is still time. अभी भी वक्त है. पढ़ लो. There is still time. Read it. There is still time. Read it. अभी भी वक्त है. सुधर जाओ. There is still time. Improve yourself. There is still time. Improve yourself. अभी भी वक्त है. चले जाओ. There is still time. Go away. There is still time. Go away. अभी भी वक्त है. सच सच बता दो. There is still time. Speak the truth. There is still time. Speak the truth. मुझे क्या? What does it matter to me? What does it matter to me? मुझे क्या? तुम कुछ भी करो. What does it matter to me? You can do anything. What does it matter to me? You can do anything. मुझे क्या? तुम कुछ भी खाओ. What does it matter to me? You can eat anything. What does it matter to me? You can eat anything. मुझे क्या? तुम कहीं भी जाओ. What does it matter to me? You can go anywhere. What does it matter to me? You can go anywhere. मुझे क्या? तुम कुछ भी समझो. What does it matter to me? You can understand anything. What does it matter to me? You can understand anything.